Hey, everybody. Welcome to the Faithful Studios. We're going to get a little real today. And it's Monday. But normally I do these on Wednesdays. But I'm going to be traveling this week, so I wanted to get it out today. I got a lot on my mind. As you can see, look at the beard here. This is all natural. This is what happens when I don't use a heat brush or a blow dryer or anything like that. I just got out of the shower, put some oil, balm in it, brushed it. This is what it does. It is a crazy curl, and it needs that heat to straighten. But we're going to be going out of town for work for like 3 days. So I just wanted to get on and make the video that I would normally release on Wednesday. But we're going to do it today, this afternoon, right now. So welcome. I'm Tyson. And stay tuned for that intro, and when we get back, we're going to get right into this message, all right? All right, welcome back. All right, so what I want to talk to you guys about is just being who you are, right? And a lot's been on my mind lately. We're coming off of Easter, so we all got the good feels. We got a community going, and I see a lot of things happening, and I see people leaving the community or taking a break from the community because work comes up or family's coming up or anything like that. And so now's the time to pull together and support each other in everything that we do. And we have a lot of good things going on with that, in particular, supporting each other and being there for each other. But the brotherhood and the sisterhood continues to go on. And my point is to continue to be who you are and do what you are. Just do it with honesty, do it with integrity. Don't be afraid to tell your feelings to people, your emotions, and let's all come together in a big family. And when families have conflicts, they work it out. And, you know, Maddie and I, we like to try to spread the word. And some of the things that have come near and dear to my heart, and, you know, because we spread the word, maybe we're looked at a certain way. And let me tell you that I'm no different than anybody else. I make mistakes, and I sin, and I go against the word that I preach at times. And we've all been there, and we've all pointed fingers, and we've all done things that we regret. I've done a lot of things that I regret in life, and it really wasn't until a few years ago that I started getting my life together. And then Maddie came into my life, and she made it even better. But that's not to say that I don't mess up. That's not to say that I don't do things bad or wrong. When you do something bad or wrong, you man up, you apologize, you take credit. And it's not even credit, but you take ownership of what you do, and you turn around and fix it. So what I'm trying to say is, I messed up. I've messed up since I've met Maddie. I've messed up in the last month. And I've made mistakes. And I'm facing those mistakes. And when times get tough, I'm still right here to face those mistakes. And things go on. And when you find that mistake that you made, learn the lesson from it, and don't make it again. And if it's a big mistake, spend the time to make it right. And let that person know, or if you mess up at work, let your boss know, or whatever it might be. But fix the mistake, spend the time correcting it, because we all make mistakes, and that's okay. It's about forgiveness, forgiving, and moving on. You don't have to forget, but forgive. And I've said that before. So I just wanted to get some stuff like that off my chest. I want everybody to know that I make mistakes. I want everybody to know that they make mistakes and that mistakes are okay to be made. It's what you learn from them, what you take away from them, and how you go forward from them. And I've made a mistake recently that has forever changed my life. Forever. And it's forever changed Maddie's life. And I have to live with the consequences. And I have to live with whatever comes of it. And that's okay, because that was a decision I made, and I will fix it. And I will do it. And we don't have to go into details, and no one has to share their details about anything. But we're a brotherhood, and we're a sisterhood, and we all support each other. We're all here for each other. And I think it's important to admit when we're wrong. And as a man and as a leader in the family, to admit that you made a mistake and that wasn't the right decision, and that we're all different. We're all different people. And if we're followers of God, God forgives us, and we got to forgive ourselves. And the person that you hurt, or that you make the mistake to, or that you fail, they're going to forgive you too. And life goes on. There's not a day that passes that people don't sin. There's not a day that passes that people don't mistake. No day's perfect. Nobody's perfect. There's one truly perfect person in this whole world. And so I don't give enough credit for everybody admitting their mistakes and owning the mistakes. It's easy when you're hurt to say, that I'm hurt and act out of hurt and anger, but keep the positive attitude and the positivity flowing and continue to make the right choices, whether you're hurt or you're the one that hurt somebody. Don't react out of anger. Don't react out of frustration. React out of love, compassion. Love thy neighbor. Love thy enemy. And when somebody hurts you, don't seek revenge. Just show them the power through love. And I've been hurt, I've hurt, and I'm going to continue to love. And that's the choice that I'm making. So, who's with me in that? Continue to love, spread the love, support all the people out there that need to take breaks from reviewing or from anything like that. We got your back, and we will have you in our thoughts, and we hope everything goes well with that. Stay present in the community, please. And everybody go hug your spouse and tell them that you love them, and take a step back for a night and spend it with them and let them know what they mean to you. Make your family a priority. Make God a priority, your family a priority, and keep it positive. Forgive and do things out of love and encouragement. So, that's my ramble for the day. It's not beard product related, and I am sorry about that. But I also like to give inspiration, and I like to use the public forum that God's granted us with to talk about anything that could be on my mind or weighing on my heart. And this is something that's been weighing on my heart, and I needed to talk about it, and I wanted to talk about it. So you guys get a video on that. I'm traveling, testing out Bad Dog. It's Bad Dog Week. You're going to see stuff all over Instagram. So there won't be a video Wednesday. This is it. This is the random video of the week today. But we'll be back on Friday with the review and the live stream. And hopefully everybody, if this affects you or this gets you thinking like, I can spread some love. So, if you're hurt, repay that with love. And if you've done the hurting, admit it and apologize and move on and realize that you'd be forgiven. And we can all be one big happy family. We all have our families, our relationships. Kindle them and grow them, because tomorrow's never granted. You never know what's going to happen tomorrow. Things might feel great today, and tomorrow shocks you. So, kindle your relationships, value those around you, And don't let it take something big to realize what your family and everybody around you means to you. So, you guys stay blessed. Grab a coffee, grab a bang, stroke your man mane, continue to grow those beards, and watch these videos. Hit that subscribe and that like button. Hit me up on Instagram if you'd like, and God bless you all.